Hey guys, it is Kade play. But I like to call it K plays. So I got this for my birthday party, and the reason because it's fun. It's fun. So it really all it does is this. Let's just put the remote right here. So let's give it a try. Okay, so all you have to do is push both of these buttons and off we go. This way. Okay, let me just go straight. Ow. This way, I gotta get close. Oh, sometimes it won't, like, if you go slow, then it doesn't really do bumps. Let's just turn around. And that is it. So pick this up, turn this off, and then we'll come up here. Put this down. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notifications so every single time we post, you don't miss any videos. Bye bye.